Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload knowledge files to a Claude project using the simple tools. This is a great way to give your writing assistant a big pile of background documents, notes, or data sheets so it can study your private information and give you accurate answers based exactly on your real files. Step 1. Open your existing project workspace screen. The first step is to open your main account homepage on your internet browser and click on the specific project room where you want to add your information. Move your mouse pointer over to the left-hand sidebar menu area, scroll down through your list of active workspaces, and click once on the specific project name you built earlier. Look at your monitor screen layout to confirm that your primary project dashboard view has opened up flat against your background view. Because the application keeps all your data strictly separated into different rooms, if you upload your files while standing in the wrong room, the assistant won't be able to see them when you start a new task elsewhere. Getting into the correct workspace first ensures your files land in the exact right storage slot. Step 2. Locate and click the Main Document Add button. The second step is to find the dedicated file uploading area on your screen canvas rows, where the tool accepts your background materials. Move your cursor to the right-hand side of your project dashboard layout and find the section labeled Files, or look for the small plus icon. Click that File Edition button firmly with your mouse to trigger your computer's local file selection window to open up instantly. Because the tool provides a specific permanent storage shelf for your master reference documents, using this dedicated button instead of just pasting text into a regular chat message means these files become a permanent foundation for that entire workspace room, so they stay saved even when you close the browser. Step 3. Select your files and watch the loading bar finish its processing task completely. The third step is to choose your documents from your local desktop folders, click on the text documents or spreadsheets you want to share, press the Open button, and leave your browser open while the progress bar fills up. Monitor the text layout closely until the loading bars hit 100% and the screen prints a success mark next to your file names. Because your computer is transferring the data blocks into the system's memory banks, the tool reads every single line of your documents and maps out the words so it can scan through them in less than a second later on. Waiting for the complete loading bar prevents broken links or half-empty files from messing up your future workspace tasks. Click the button that says New Chat inside your specific project panel, type a simple question like, "What are the main facts inside my uploaded file?" into your empty typing box, and press the Enter key. Watch the screen view to ensure the assistant prints out an answer that summarizes your file perfectly while highlighting the exact source information from your documents. And that's it. To upload knowledge files to a Claude project, you first open your sidebar menu and click into your active workspace on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the right side of the panel to click the dedicated Document Addition button on your screen canvas rows. Then, you select your reference files from your hard drive and wait for the loading bar to finish its processing task completely. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.